Good morning children. Welcome back on your science online classes. This is your science teacher Manju Das. Yes, in the previous class we had studied about the different types of a fuel, that is a coal and petroleum. In the previous class we had studied about a fuel, the two types of fuel, that is a coal and petrol. How the coal is obtained, what are the various uses of the coal, as well as we also studied about the petroleum, how the petroleum is obtained from the natures and what are the various uses of the coal and petroleum. Now, today we are going to start the new lesson, that is lesson 6, combustion and flame. Yes, we uses a different kinds of a fuel for the various purpose at home, in industries, for running automobiles, as well as in the home also we are using. Can you name a few fuels that we are using in our daily life? Yes, the various fuels like cow dung, wood, coal, charcoal, petrol, diesel, compressed natural gas. These are all the fuels which we are using in our daily life. Yes, the most familiar fuel is that coal and the petroleum that we are using in our daily life. Yes, I will give you an example. If we will burn a candle and if we will burn a coal, can both the substance will burn the same? No, it cannot burn the same. Yes, coal burns slowly and the candles will burn with the flames. Yes, so all the substance cannot burn in the same way. Some substance burn slowly and some substance burns rapidly and it gives a flames. So in this lesson we will study about the combustion and the flame. So let us learn about combustion. What is a combustion? What is a combustion? Combustion means the substance which burn or which react with the oxygen to give off a heat is called as a combustion. The substance that undergoes combustion is said to be a combustible substance, and it is also called as the fuel. Means the substance which burns with the oxygen is called as a combustible substance, or the substance is said to be a undergo combustion, and the substance which does not burns with the oxygen, that is called as a non-combustible substance. So what is a combustion? Combustion is a chemical process in which a substance reacts with the oxygen to give off a heat, that is called as the combustion. And can you name that substance which undergo combustion? Yes, wood. Yes, if wood react with the oxygen, if burned with the oxygen, it produces a ashes. And paper, if the paper burned with the oxygen, it gives a ash. The kerosene oil, if it burns, yes, it reacts with the oxygen and it burns. Yes, charcoal also burns. Matchsticks also burn. So these are the few substances which burns with the oxygen, that is called as a combustible substance. And the substance which cannot react with the oxygen, that is called as a non-combustible substance. Here one activity is given there, 6.2. See that this activity you have done in the primary classes also. Take the two candles, burn both the candles. First candle you mark it A and the second candle mark it B, and one candle you keep it as open, and the second candle, B candle, you covered with the jar, fully packed it covered. What you will observe? Leave for the 10 or 15 minutes you leave it. What you will observe? You will observe that candle A will continues burning. It continues in burning. But the candle B, which is covered, which is totally covered, okay, packed, means it will extinguish. So for combustion, what is necessary? For the combustion, air is necessary. Air is necessary for the combustion. Yes. So what is necessary for the combustion? Air is necessary. Now here see one table is given there in 6.1. Here some combustible and non-combustible substance are there. Yes, identify which one is a combustible and which one is a non-combustible. In the previous paragraph, I had explained you about combustible substance. Combustible substance means the substance which react with the oxygen, which burn with the oxygen. That is called as a combustible substance. And the substance which does not react with the oxygen, that is called as a non-combustible substance. So here some substance are given. You have to identify. Yes, wood. Wood is burned with the oxygen and produces acid. So it comes under a combustible substance. Yes, then second one is a paper. Paper react with the oxygen and it produces acids. So it is a combustible substance. Iron nails, it does not burns with the oxygen. So it is a non-combustible substance. Kerosene oil, it burns with the oxygen and produces a flame. Stone piece, it is a non-combustible substance. Straw, it burns with the oxygen and produces a acids. Yes, next one is a charcoal. Charcoal, it burns with the oxygen and produces a acids. Matchstick. Matchstick also a combustible substance. It reacts with the oxygen and it burns. Glass. Glass is a non-combustible substance. It does not react with the oxygen. So here some combustible and non-combustible substances are given there. So today what we had learned? We had learned about the what is a fuel, what is a combustion, and that what is necessary for combustion. Air is necessary for the combustion. Yes, now we will move to the next topic, that is about the types of a combustion. Some substance burn slowly and some substance burns very rapidly. So you might have seen the burning gas stoves. Yes, after applying a gas lighter, the gases burns rapidly and producing a lot of heat. So this kind of combustion is called rapid combustion. Yes, now some substance which starts burning spontaneously. Suppose, for example, if I will give you one example, if we will keep one substance like a white phosphorus openly, what happen? It would catches fire instantly. No need of that matchstick. So this type of combustion is called as a spontaneous combustion. So in the next class we will study about the different types of a combustion. So I hope it is clear to you people that what is combustion and what is a fuel and what is necessary for the combustion. In the next class we will study about the different types of the combustion. Thank you very much.